What if your next smartphone could replace your tablet, your laptop, and even make your daily life easier with AI? Sounds impossible. Well, Samsung thinks it's possible with the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 8. But here's the real question. Is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 finally the foldable phone worth buying, or is it just another expensive gadget? In today's video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about Samsung's newest foldable flagship, from its stunning design and powerful performance to its cameras, battery life, and AI features. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you whether the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is really worth your money. So, make sure you stay with me until the end because you might be surprised. Let's start with the design. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 looks more premium than ever. Samsung has made it thinner, lighter, and more comfortable to hold. When folded, it feels like a normal smartphone. But once you open it, it transforms into a beautiful mini tablet. Samsung has also improved the hinge. It feels stronger, smoother, and more durable than before. The display crease is less noticeable, giving you a cleaner viewing experience. Whether you're working, watching videos, or playing games, the Fold 8 definitely looks and feels like a phone from the future. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people love this phone, the display. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 features a large dynamic AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Everything feels incredibly fast and responsive. Colors are bright, blacks are deep, and the screen is sharp enough to enjoy movies, YouTube, or your favorite games. The outer display is also larger and easier to use, making quick tasks like texting, calling, or checking notifications simple without opening the phone. If you're someone who loves multitasking or watching content, this display is absolutely amazing. Inside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is Samsung's latest flagship processor, paired with plenty of RAM and fast storage. The phone handles everything with ease, opening apps, switching between tasks, editing videos, or playing heavy games feels smooth without any lag. Samsung has also added new Galaxy AI features that make daily tasks easier. You can summarize notes, translate conversations, edit photos with AI, and even get writing suggestions directly on your phone. These smart features make the Fold 8 more than just a smartphone. It becomes your personal assistant. Now let's move to the cameras. Samsung has improved the camera system with better image processing and stronger low-light performance. Photos are detailed, colorful, and natural-looking. Portrait shots have beautiful background blur, while night photos look brighter with less noise. Video recording is equally impressive, offering stable and sharp footage, making it perfect for travel, family moments, or even content creations. One of the coolest things about the Fold 8 is that you can use the powerful rear cameras for selfies by using the cover screen as a preview. This gives you much better selfie quality than most smartphones. Battery life is another strong point. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 easily lasts a full day with normal use. Whether you're browsing social media, attending meetings, streaming videos, or gaming, the battery keeps up with your busy schedule. It also supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, giving you more flexibility throughout the day. Software and multitasking. This is where the Fold 8 truly shines. Samsung's One UI is specially designed for foldable devices. You can open 3 apps at the same time, drag files between windows, and enjoy a desktop-like experience in your pocket. If you're a student, professional, or someone who likes doing multiple things at once, this phone can seriously improve your productivity. Is it worth buying? So, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8? If you want one of the most advanced smartphones available today, the answer is yes. You get a premium design, an incredible foldable display, flagship performance, excellent cameras, powerful AI features, and one of the best multitasking experiences on any smartphone. The only downside is the premium price. But if your budget allows it, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 delivers a unique experience that very few phones can match. And that's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now I want to hear from you. Would you buy this amazing foldable phone, or do you think regular flagship phones are still the better choice? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest smartphone reviews.